Welcome to our Home Garden Guide channel. Here is Rosa speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is Bridge Dual Handles Kitchen Faucet with pull-out side spray-in. Let's start to introduce product-related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also welcome to go on our website 𝐤𝐢𝐿.com. Designed with double handles, it offers separate, precise control over the hot and cold water flow effortlessly. The side spray is controlled by the back button individually. Swivel designed spout covers a wide range of area for handy usage, while the powerful side sprayer in a coordinating finish with a retractable hose adds convenience during everyday kitchen tasks. Manufactured from solid brass for ensuring the quality and longevity. Specifications: finish, chrome. Material, solid brass. Spout type, swivel. Faucet holes, 4. Number of handles, 2. Installation type, widespread. Overall height, 8.85 inches. Spout height, 6.29 inches. Spout reach, 7.08 inches. Net weight, 7.60 pounds. Gross weight, 8.26 pounds. Flow rate, 1.2 GPM/4.5 LPM. Package dimensions 16.14 x 13.58 x 2.75 inches. About Home Garden Guide. Shop from a great collection of patio furniture and outdoor decorations at http://www.𝐤𝐢𝐿.com. Our store offers quality patio sets, tables, chairs, sofas, sectionals, decor, and more. 𝐤𝐢𝐭 is a professional store for furnitures and home improving and decoration products. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, 𝐤𝐢𝐭 can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. If you buy 5+ random items per order, you will get more discounts. For OEM and ODM wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via 𝐿𝐴𝐿12@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.